In this video, I will be showing you how to delete Grok chat history. Let's get started. First, I open a new tab in my web browser. I click on the search bar and type Grok to find the platform. From the search results, I click on the first option, which takes me straight to the official Grok website. Once the page loads, I navigate to the left sidebar menu. I go all the way down to the bottom left corner and click on my profile icon. This action opens a small pop-up menu with several options. From this list, I select Settings to access my account configuration. Inside the Settings window, I look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on Data Controls. This section houses all the privacy and data management options. I scroll down the Data Controls page past the storage information until I locate the Delete options. I click on the Delete button next to Delete All Conversations. A confirmation button that says, "Are you sure?" appears in its place. I click Delete once more to permanently clear all my past chat logs. After the chat history is successfully removed, I click the X in the top right corner of the settings window to close it and return to the main chat interface. To demonstrate that the history has been cleared and how to start fresh, I look at the sidebar menu again and click on the New Chat icon at the top left. This opens a brand new, empty conversation line. I click inside the text field at the bottom that asks, "What do you want to know?" I then type a brand new query. Explain how QR codes work and why they can store so much information. After finishing the sentence, I click the arrow button on the right side of the text box to submit the prompt. Now, I wait a few seconds as the AI processes the request. The screen displays the thinking progress step by step, showing that it is working on explaining the code structure, verifying technical details, and organizing the response. Within moments, the AI generates a beautifully structured, comprehensive guide covering everything from structure and layout to data encoding and error correction. This confirms our interface is fully functional with a completely cleared history. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.